powder raw materials transport to the demagnetization device, remove some metal. Then through the pre-cleaning, make raw material cleaning. Finally enter the rotary distributor sent to the power or silo store. Corn and other grains raw material feeding in to the elevator, Gongjang to cleaning machine. It can scan out large impurities such as stones, wood, ropes, etc. to ensure that the material is clean to avoid damage to the equipment. Permanent magnetic cylinder. It can absorb the metal impurities in the raw materials. The impeller adjusts the feeding speed automatically. Feeds evenly can improve the efficiency of the crusher. Hammer mill crush grains raw materials to be powdered. The crushed material is transported to the rotary distributor. Distribute materials to different silos for storage. 9 independent storage warehouses, intelligent grading control, zero cross-contamination of raw materials. Materials into batching scale for automatic weighing. Double shaft paddle mixer, evenly mixing different materials. Oil spraying system with precise atomization. Absorption rate 98%. The mixed materials enter the powder cleaning screen for secondary screening to ensure the cleanliness of the materials. When made pellet feed, the material flows into the pelleting bin. If make mash feeded, will flows into the packaging bin for packing directly. Material into conditioner for preheating. The feed pallet machine squeezes powdered materials into pallet. Octagonal countercurrent cooler evenly and efficiently reduces the material temperature, prolongs the storage time of feed. The crumbler makes pellets into small sizes for chicks' feed. The rotary grading screen grades the finished feed according to different sizes to meet the packaging requirements of different feed specifications. Automatic weighting and packing machine can achieve fast and accurate packaging needs. Quality is like a mountain standing firm. Service is like water everywhere. Lima is your best choice.